Hey everybody, David Cook, D'Franco Painting Wallpaper. Question of the day is, can I get a quote for repainting our garage doors? Absolutely, that's why we are here today. So here is a factory finished aluminum garage door. Apparently the house had some hail damage to it, and they had everything else replaced. The garage door stayed because it didn't have any damage, but it's brown, and now the rest of the house is aluminum brown, so they want to get rid of this. So the door's in great condition. There's nothing wrong with it. There's no nicks, dings, nothing. It's just older, probably about 10 years old, as what I'm guessing, based on the last service ticket that's on the inside of this. So for this door, basically what we're gonna do is power wash to get all the dirt off. It's really windy. There's a farm across the street, so it gets dirty. So we're gonna power wash to get all that dirt off of here. Once we're power washing it's dry, then we're gonna use a bonding primer for this aluminum door. There's a couple different ones we can use. Sticks is by far great, but I know there's a couple ones more for metal, and especially with the factory finishes that'll stick better. I think Pro Curl from Sherwin-Williams, Benjamin Moore, I can't think of it off the top of my head. Well, sticks, but they have another one for metal type thing. You could use a direct to metal, but it's already been finished, so we want something that's going to bond to the finish that's there. But once we have the primer on there, we let it sit for overnight. We say 12 hours, but it's an overnight thing that we want this primer to sit on there. Once the primer's sitting on there, then we're going to paint it. Even with primer, that dark brown, they want to go white. Primer plus 2 coats, so it's gonna be 3 coats. So we're here for a day and a half, no matter what. So we're trying to make it so we can do this door, and then we're doing some other exterior work doing all at the same time. So that way, while we're here for the 2 days, it's more cost effective. So definitely can paint it. Figure be at least $1,000 because we're here for a day and a half, no matter what, with power washing, primer, and 3 coats of paint. But that'll be the minimum for something like this. But all garage doors are a little bit different. Some could be more if there's damage, especially wooden ones. Some could be less, that we can just go right over it. If you got other questions on painting exteriors of your house, give us a call, let us know. Let's see how we can help you out. Getting a quote to you. You can always, there'll be a link in here below that you can click on here to get a quote for the painting inside, outside, cabinets, wallpaper. Let's see how we can help you out and enjoy the space you're in. Have a great day. God bless.